Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so stoked right now because we're about to hop on a train from Cannes to Marseille. This is going to be an awesome ride and I can't wait to share it with you all. Cannes station is absolutely buzzing with energy. I love seeing all these excited travelers ready to explore France. It's giving me such a rush. Oh, and here's a quick tip that saved me so many times. Always try to get to the station about 30 minutes early. That way, you can find your platform, grab a quick coffee if you need it, and board without any... Yes, we're on board, and I scored an amazing window seat. Look at this view. We're cruising past these adorable coastal towns, and the Mediterranean is sparkling like a sea of diamonds. Okay, you guys, I'm at Marseille now, about to go down from the train. I'll see what they have in Marseille. I was just talking to a Canadian and he said there's a lot of sketchy people here, so I gotta be careful. Okay guys, my foot is aching, man. I'm here at Marseille now. So what I'm gonna do is go find myself a hotel. Probably sleep and explore the place tomorrow because I'm super tired. Just wanna go sleep right now. Yeah, that's the plan. My leg is aching too. Let's go forward. My leg is got sprained or something. It's painful. I don't know why. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go find a hotel, go to sleep, explore tomorrow. This is the Marseille station. It's pretty big. It's like a central station. Yeah, it can get confusing if you're looking for a train. So there's no seats. It's strange. So I'm gonna go find my hotel. I just keep on saying that over and over. I'm gonna go find my hotel, sleep, and explore tomorrow because I'm tired. Probably exit on the other side, so it's easier for me. It's just straight ahead. So. Probably not that far. I think I just gotten myself into a parking lot. What's the taxis here? I don't want to go over a taxi. I go, what? It's just 8 minutes away from here. That's in front of my face, not on you. Walk over the bridge. I should have gotten here. Why did I go down? I think Marseille is quite rough. There's lots of sketchy people here. It's like, I can feel like San Francisco vibes here. Hello. Hi. Yeah, it feels like San Francisco. It's downhill, uphill. It definitely looks like San Francisco. At least when I go, it's close to the train station. That's a word.
Welcome.
Thanks, man. Yeah. Oh, nice. They have a recycling thingy here. Okay, guys, I'm walking on the streets of Marseille, and it's pretty much the same as Nice. So, they got a tram system in the middle of the road. They got shops on the side. But there's a lot more people here, I think. And it's quite busy here. I don't think it's good to film here. Quick observation of how the city looks like. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this camera because there's a lot of people that don't want to be filmed or something. I thought I was filming him earlier. Suddenly tried to stop me. So I'll shut this down. Okay, I think I'm here at the port now. So this is just basically just a port. There's lots of boats. Could be ships. And yeah, that's why I call it a port. There's a couple of restaurants. If you want to eat, there's fast food. And there's a lot of people. This is a huge city, Marseille. I want to show you what's here. It looks like full of boats. And yeah, it's getting cold. People are wearing sweaters. But I don't know, I'm not feeling cold. So I'm gonna go to that spot and check out what the port is all about. Welcome to Marseille's Old Port, the beating heart of this historic Mediterranean city. Dating back over 2,600 years, this natural harbor has been a center of maritime trade and culture for centuries. Today, the Old Port is a vibrant hub of activity. You'll see everything from small fishing boats to luxury yachts docked along its quays. The surrounding area is packed with cafes, restaurants, and markets, offering fresh seafood and local specialties like bouillabaisse. Key attractions include the daily fish market, where local fishermen sell their catch. We are at Le Panier. That's how you pronounce it. So there's that iconic building there, and you have that building right there as well. So I'm gonna try to walk. My camera's battery's about to die, but yeah. Hey, all right.
English?
Yeah. See you guys.
Allez l'Australie!
Yeah, it's pretty late. It's getting dark. And yeah, I'll just walk around here and see what's up. They say they have colorful buildings and iconic ones. So that's the one so far. This one I don't know. It's like an apartment or an office building. Pretty common in Europe. When in Marseille, don't miss the MUCOM, the Museum of European and Mediterranean Civilizations. This modern landmark offers fascinating exhibits on Mediterranean culture and boasts stunning views of the sea. It's a must-visit for any traveler to the city. Okay, if you want to go or planning to go to that Notre de la Garde, prepare for a hike because it's uphill. Look at this. So yeah, I can confirm that Marseille is actually similar to San Francisco, California, because of these uphills and downhills. So as night falls over Marseille, one sight stands out above all others: Notre de la Garde. This iconic basilica, perched atop the city's highest hill, transforms into a beacon of light against the dark sky. The church's Byzantine-style architecture, with its striking golden statue of the Virgin Mary, is beautifully illuminated, creating a mesmerizing spectacle visible from across the city. But the view from the basilica itself is equally impressive. From this vantage point, you can take in the entirety of Marseille spread out below. The city's lights twinkle like stars. Hey guys, I'm treating myself tonight. I was able to go to some of those attractions. That was a long walk, probably walk 1.5 hours. I turned the camera on to show you guys that I bought some desserts for myself. I never do this kind of thing. Actually, I would rather save my money than eat desserts and sweets. Besides, it's not healthy for me. I don't want to have a diabetes. But I was just craving. I don't know why today. I feel so happy. I was able to sleep on the train from Nice to Marseille. I bought, this is macaroon, something like that. I want to try this. This is a Tunisian dessert. Tunisian and all those Turkish countries are pretty much the same. They have pretty much the same food. So I want to try this. It tastes like honey. It's super sweet. And you got sesame seed. It's crunchy. I think this is flour. And there's a filling. Maybe that's a cinnamon or chocolate. They have this thing. It looks like a cassava cake from Asia. I forgot the name, but it looks delicious. It has almond in the middle. Can you see that? And it's just probably flour as well. I want to try it though. Drizzled with sugar or syrup honey. This is going to raise my blood sugar and I won't be able to sleep tonight. Oh, this is baklava. This is a Turkish thingy. Even Lebanese have this. Oh, that's yum. I like this baklava. It has pistachios on top and syrup. So syrupy. I don't know what's inside. It's probably pistachios as well. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm not really into sweet stuff. Like if I bite one and I get the taste, that's enough. It's just like my brain and my body does not like it, the sweet stuff. But I'm probably gonna keep on biting this, but at the huge intervals. Like maybe after an hour, 30 minutes or something like that. So I'll end the video there. I like it. I like that dessert.